know what's crazy? Sometimes healing doesn't come from therapy sessions or long motivational talks. It comes from people, from sitting beside someone who does not fix your problems but makes you forget them for a while. Because, like Aditi said, simple है, कुछ लोगों के साथ सिर्फ वक्त बिताने से ही सब कुछ सही हो जाता है. ये जवानी है दीवानी wasn't just a travel movie. It wasn't just about pretty locations and dance numbers at weddings. It was about growing up, about chasing dreams so big that they scare you, about losing people while trying to find yourself, about falling in love with life even when it's messy, unpredictable, and nothing like the plan. Every character in this film, Bunny, Nana, Aditi, Avi, they were all searching for something: freedom, purpose, love, and identity. And somewhere in that chaos, they found each other, not to complete each other, but to remind one another that we all need a pause, a little time, a little connection, a little space to just be ourselves. We live in a world where everyone is rushing, running after success, validation, next goals, next people, next milestones. But somewhere between chasing what's next, we forget to sit with people who feels like peace. We forget how healing it is when someone just listens without judgment, without advice, instead with just being present. And that's what Aditi's line remind us. Sometimes life does not need fixing. It just needs a few right people around. The ones who make you laugh when you have forgotten how to. The ones who remind you that you're not as broken as you think. We all think that healing means solitude, cutting everyone off, becoming strong alone. But the truth is, solitude heals you, connections rebuild you. You can be independent, strong, ambitious, and still crave softness, still crave that one friend who just sit beside you in silence and somehow makes it all okay. It's not every kind of peace is found in isolation. Sometimes it's found in laughter over a cup of chai, in late night drives, in friends who still ask to theek hai na when the whole world forgets to. That's not weakness. That's being human. I mean, think about it. Bunny was chasing the world, but the only time he truly felt home was when he came back to his people. Aditi healed when she stopped chasing what hurt her and surrounded herself with what felt safe. And Nena, she taught us that sometimes love is not about grand gestures, it's about just showing up. That's why Ye Jawani Hai Diwani hits differently every time we rewatch it. Because it's not just about traveling the world, it's about coming home to yourself, to the people who remind you who you are. So here's the thing: you don't need to figure everything out today. You don't need to have a perfect plan or a perfect people. You just need moments that make your heart rest. Stop chasing chaos and start valuing calm. Stop waiting for big miracles, because sometimes healing walks in quietly in the form of a person who just gets you. Maybe life is not about fixing everything, and maybe it's about finding those few souls जिनके साथ सिर्फ वक्त बिताने से ही ना सब कुछ सही हो जाता है. Because in the end, peace does not always roar. Sometimes it just sits beside you and smiles.